race.
Now I can see race.
This says race.
Alright, get going.
Dirt bike, race, bicycle, race.
That's what it says?
Yeah.
Alright.
Race.
Get going.
Race. Race.
It says race for you too, Nick.
Race. Race.
Woo! Zooming by. Yeah. That says racing too. Go pedal, pedal. Yeah! Boy, howdy, that's awesome, Luke. You are so good. Woo! Good job.
You take a picture of me while I ride it?
I did. These are awesome.
Now you're done?
Now I'm all done. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
How old are you today? 3. That's right. All right. How old are you, Nick? How old are you today? He don't want to tell us. It's Good Friday.